Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Ila Anant Acharya, your certified life coach and law of attraction coach, and your friend as well. So, thank you so much for showering all your love and all the amazing comments which you are giving on my YouTube videos and podcast as well. Thank you so much. So, here I am again, as I promised you, whenever I will get this opportunity, I will make sure that I can share a video every single day. So thank you, universe, that you are making it possible for me to record at least a video at least every single day. So today is 7th Jan 2022, and I'm here again with one more topic which I have just realized that I have to share this because from yesterday I have again started my phone counseling session, and in that usually the students, the practices which I give to them is like meditation and visualization and count your blessings, that is gratitude. So gratitude I have already explained in my two videos, and I have planned to carry out about the visualization today, so that my students to whom I am suggesting this practice can know more about it and can always have a video for which they can refer anytime to do exactly how to do the visualization. So visualization and imagination is almost the same thing. The thing is that visualization is the like from the vision when we see through our eyes, that is known as visualization. So first and foremost rule to always visualize is to think about the end result of the goals or of the dreams or of the desires which you want to manifest. Okay, so I will share with you few examples. I will explain you with examples so that it can be more clear to you. So first of all, suppose you want to clear some examination. Okay, so your visualization should be the end result of the examination. You can do this visualization daily, and you can improvise on the visuals which you are seeing every day. So first of all, when you suppose you are giving out some examination, for example, nowadays for an entrance MBBS examination you have to give that NEET exam. Okay, so when you are preparing for that NEET exam, you have to visualize the end result. So the end result is the day of your examination. Okay, so when you are given an examination, you are sitting in a hall, you are getting this paper, and you are able to answer almost every question. That is, you can say 90% question you are able to answer very easily, and you can see yourself, imagine yourself, writing this paper, smiling, and every time whenever you know that this question answer, you are ticking up and you are so happy coming out from this examination hall, and you are like sharing with your friends and your parents that, oh my god, the paper was so easy, I was able to answer almost 90%. So this kind of imagination, this kind of visualization you have to do while you get in an entire day some 10-15 minutes time. So the basic process of visualization starts with three simple steps. That is, first of all, you have to have a quiet atmosphere, where there is less disturbance, and you have to sit back, relax your body. Then that is a position which you have to take. You can sit and you can stand, it depends on you, but you have to have this, certain amount of cool, calm atmosphere, and then take three deep breaths, like relax yourself three times, and then you just close your eyes if you can. That is, if possible, you can close your eyes and now start visualization. That is, now start visualizing your end result. So now this time I'm going to take an example that if you want to have some life partner, that if you are imagining that you want to get married, and if you want to imagine your soulmate, then you have already written in your gratitude that what should be the qualities, and you are always thankful for your soulmate and everything. So now the end result of the visualization you have to see is that You are standing along with your soulmate somewhere where you love to go, in somewhere near the beach, or somewhere near a beautiful dinner, candlelight dinner place, where you both are sitting, you both are holding hand of each other. And that is the end result which you want to see when you have manifested your soulmate. So that is the visualization you can see on the first day, and you are feeling happy, you are feeling excited, you are feeling as if, oh my god, this is what I actually wanted. Now on the second day you can improvise, you can move further. You are seeing visualization of your engagement ceremony. You are seeing all yourself nicely, dressed up, your fiancé nicely dressed up. There is an entire family gathered together. All the family members are congratulating you. You are cutting the cake of the engagement, and so on and on. So this visualization can keep on, you can keep on repeating, and always repeat the end result. You did not have to imagine any process. That is how the things will come, how the things will come to you, how you are going to prepare for the exam. Never ever imagine that, how you are going to do the proposals, and how you are going to meet soulmate. That is not your part. Yes, inspired action you are going to take, that is you are going to study, but not in the visualization. Visualization always visualize end result. You have cleared the examination. Yes, after that paper, what will be the next visualization? That you have cleared the examination, you have gone to your college, or you have got on the online result you have, and you are scrolling down and you can see, yes, your name is there, you have scored whatever marks you have desired, even more than that. That is the end result you should always visualize. Okay, so with these two example, I just want to say that it is a very very effective practice if you do after meditation. So tomorrow I will share some of my views about how to meditate, and how you can also manifest while doing the meditation. So thank you so much for listening to me, for watching this video. And as I mentioned you that I have wrapped up my season 5 on podcast, which were the magical success stories from Mind, Body and Soul, 31 days Mind Power Magic workshops mostly, and 2 3 were from the soulmate workshop. I will continue with that magic success story in my upcoming podcast seasons, but I will take a break so that I can prepare for my upcoming workshop, which is coming very soon. And I need all your support, all your likes and all your shares. So please, thank you so much. And you can always comment if you still want to know something about, if you still want to have any doubt or something like that. And yes, always for free counseling, please contact Mohit Tehilyani. You can follow his Insta page, Facebook page, and even I am available on Facebook and Insta and everywhere, so you can contact me as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.